I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Now begin with targeted selection and an honest baseline. Pick one event to focus on and run a time trial to set realistic medal goals. Then create a 6-8 week microplan, 2 quality track sessions, 1 strength session, 1 race pace simulation per week. Start intervals today, 6 times 200 at moderate effort, so you can gather early data and adjust intensity. This immediate action gets measurable improvements fast and avoids. Once you've built the base, focus on the complex middle work that converts training into medals. Combine technical sessions, block work, acceleration drills, and video feedback with controlled race pace reps to ingrain splits. Add 2 strength blocks per week for power and 1 mobility session to prevent breakdowns. Monitor fatigue and adjust volume. Quality over quantity wins here. Use practice races to test tactics and pacing so race execution becomes automatic when it matters most. On race day, follow a precise checklist, dynamic warm-up, activation sprints, and your go-to mental cue. Execute the plan, trust your trained splits, control the first phase, then drive through the finish. This stops early burnout. After the race, recover with cool-down and nutrition, then analyze splits and video within 48 hours to see what changed. If you miss the medal, troubleshoot. Check cadence, reaction time, taper adequacy, or illness. Then modify the next 2-week block accordingly and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.